Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to look at working days, calculating sales for working days over a period of time, so across different months. So let's quickly get into it. New measure, can call this loan sale by work days. So start with calculate again. We'll calculate our month to date loan sales value. So this is the month to date loan sales value that we did in the other video. We now want to cut it by working days. So working days means, in this context, means that if we have any weekend or public holiday, it adds the sale to the next working day. That's what this does. So we filter our calendar. So the same methodology we used for day. So we filter our calendar. Then instead of filtering by day, then we filter by, let me break lines. We filter by our workday ID. Yeah. So we have a workday ID which we had created here. Workday ID. We say this, the same logic, less than or equal to. Now, selected value, because this day already exists in there. So we do selected value. Dim calendar. Selected value, that is, the days is less than equals to selected value dim calendar. Instead of day, since we are considering workday, this is workday. So instead of creating parameters in the first slide, this also works. So using selected value. Yeah. So that is it. And this gives similar results as the last slide, as the last lesson, but with this we'll be grouping by workday, not all the days in a month. Typically in a month we have 22, 23 working days. So let's see. Loan sales by workday, right? Month on month, that is month year. So we bring the sale, we bring a slicer in so that we can bring in our work day ID. So work day ID, put it there. So this is from 1st to 23 working days. So let's see if we can make this a drop down. So I think I prefer it being a drop down. Yeah. So when I select 5, for instance, you can see it takes the 5th working day of each month. So 9, for instance, takes the sales for everything greater than or equal to 9th working day. So it takes the sales of 9th working day. So let me also show you this so that you'll be able to see it in terms of dates. Let me show you metrics table, or just to get a better understanding. Okay, the metrics table right here. So we're going to view this by date. And we are going to see loan sales. can see this. So let's select. Okay, you selected ninth 14 day, ninth working day, ninth working day. You can see that the date is different for each month, but it's on the ninth working day. Ninth working day across different months are different dates. Okay, that will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.